Hey guys, welcome to a new video. My name is Mika. For those who are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm currently in a car. I just got finished working out at the gym. Starbucks had posted this new pumpkin spice matcha latte on Instagram the other day. So I went by Starbucks today and I got a drink. Here it is. And I'm going to be doing a live reaction on what I think about the drink. I'm going to stir it up real quick just to make sure it's all stirred up. And I'm going to post a picture of the recipe on here. And I'll also put it in the description box for y'all too. But it is good and stirred up. It smells good. It's smell very fall. Okay, I'm gonna record for Instagram too. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I got the drink. So I did go ahead and mix it up. It smells very fall-like. It smells really good. It smells like fall is knocking on the door. And the thing about it is it's already like, it looks like it's about to rain. Look, it's giving fall outside. So let's see how this goes. I feel like I kind of like it. It's very strong. It's not too sweet, but it is sweet. I feel like I should have added some vanilla, like pumpkin spice vanilla matcha latte. Okay, Starbucks, you might know what you're talking about on this. Okay. Wanna try it? Hold on. Alright, babe, gonna try it.
Yeah, that's good. Very pumpkin.
Yeah, it's giving.
And I
very
don't like
fattening.
pumpkin. I don't like pumpkin, but it tastes real good though. She got a lot of sugar in that shit. It's good though.
Yeah. I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna make this at home though. I'm gonna get. I gotta go to Trader Joe's. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's and I'm gonna get the pumpkin. They have like pumpkin butter. And I saw somebody do the pumpkin butter and then use cream and mix and whiskey and make like a pumpkin butter cold foam. I saw that. So I'm going to try to give it a try and see if I'm going to like it or not. But I'm going to try to make it at home. But this tastes good. I would definitely order this again. And for matcha at Starbucks, definitely try like the strawberry matcha. They have a strawberry matcha too, with the strawberry cone foam. That's pretty good too. And I just tell them to add a pump of sugar because I want mine to be sweet, because I like it sweet. But I'm about to get ready, and babe decided he wanted tacos. I just had real taco the other day, so I'm gonna drive him by real taco, and then I've been wanting slutty vegan. That's what I want. So we're gonna go to real taco first, grab his food, and then we're gonna head to slutty vegan. I don't know why I put this back here because I need to get my case. And we're gonna head to slutty vegan, and then I'm going to head home and just chill or whatnot. I think I'm gonna start like do some laundry or something, because I'll be going to DC in 2 weeks, so I want to go ahead and start packing. So that way, when the week comes, I like to pack early. I like to take my time and pack early. So that way, when the week is here, or I want to do something the night before I fly out, I can actually do something the night before I fly out, because I ain't trying to, you know, rush and pack. Unlike some people I know that's in this car that, you know, Him. Him. He don't even be going to sleep.
I don't like packing, that's why.
He wait till the last minute to pack. That ain't me, baby. My shit gonna pack. Okay, it's probably gonna be packed by next week. Okay.
When I get big, I'm gonna pay somebody to pack for me.
Boy, you can pay me. He can pay me, y'all.
Cause I don't like packing.
He can pay me. He can pay me. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and my sister over here asking me how it is. And what's no classic? The thing said no classic. What's no classic? Is that like no classic, like no coffee? I should have asked the man when I ordered it. Like what is no classic?
Shit, you a Starbucksologist. You should know that.
I never liked Starbucks until I moved to DC. That's when I started. And you want to know who put me on Starbucks? Goddamn Ebony.
Alright, niggas gonna say.
Yes, she had me try. So they had this during the wintertime. They had this apple cider latte, and it was so good. And ever since then, like after the winter, I started trying the refreshers. And so I thought Starbucks was just coffee, and you know I don't drink coffee. I didn't think about like teas and refreshers and lemonade. I had no clue. I guess you know that's the price you pay when you stay in a small town. When you live in a small town. So I didn't know any of that. So because I learned that, that's how I really got good into, like, I really became like a Starbucks girl, because now I knew I can get stuff other than coffee, because I don't drink coffee. But alright, I've been up here wrapping it up with y'all. It is time to go because traffic is a little crazy over here. We over here by Georgia Tech and they having a game today. And the traffic is just piling in. So let's go ahead and get on up out of this traffic, y'all. I'll check in with y'all later. Hey, y'all. So it's been a couple of days. I can't remember when the last time I talked to y'all. Child, I have been sick. I don't know if you can still hear it in my voice, but I've been really congested. Devontae, he had like a movie or whatever, so he was on set. So there was apparently some kid that was on set that was sick. So he got sick, and of course I'm sick. So I just kind of been out of it. I haven't really been doing much. Let's see. I think the last time I talked to y'all, I went and got my nails done. So I just went with like just natural set. I had gel X on my nails. So what I did was I took off the nails and did a builder gel like overlay, and then I just went with like just a nude color. I'll be going to DC in a couple of days, so I don't know. I just really wasn't feeling like no designs. I just wanted something like just natural. So I think that might have been the last time I last talked to y'all. So after that, I pretty much didn't do anything the next day, because that's when I really started getting sick. So I kind of chilled at home. Friday, I didn't do anything except for we did Thursday night and Friday night, we did watch Beauty in Black, the season 2. And y'all, Tyler Perry did that. Okay, he did that. So it was really good. If y'all haven't seen it yet, it'll been out for a while by the time y'all see this vlog. Y'all need to make sure y'all go see that. And I gotta get caught up so I can stop saying it been like months. I'm like still kind of like a month behind. I'm trying to get like current. I really want to, because I'm going out of town Friday. Today's Sunday, so I'm going out of town Friday. So I really want to really get caught up like in my videos and stuff like that. I know I keep saying it, but I'm gonna keep saying it until it happens. Okay, there is power in the tongue, and I'm gonna keep saying it until it happens. So yeah, so that's what we did Thursday and Friday. And then Saturday I went to Atlanta United game. I didn't really like film, but I'll insert like some clips and stuff, like, so y'all can see like the little energy or whatnot. But I don't know if you guys know, but I founded a social group called Atlanta Social Crew. So we all got together and went to the Atlanta United game. So that was real fun, even though like they lost. It was really good. And I didn't even realize I had bought I had wore like a sweatshirt thinking that it was gonna be cold, like they were gonna have the thing closed. No, it was open, the roof was open. I had no idea. That's why it was so fucking hot in there. And that was my first time like being at the stadium when they had the roof open. Like most of the time, like it be closed and cold. But I guess they decided, you know, they wanted to have the roof open. So the roof was open and it was hot. But today I am up and at 'em. I went to bed kind of early. I dosed up on like some NyQuil. I took my sleeping medicine and just KO'd. But I've been up for a little while. I've been trying to pack and clean up this room. It is atrocious. I don't even want to show y'all. But I'm trying to, because I have a couple of events that I want to attend this week. So I'm trying to focus on like doing a little bit of cleaning up. You know, I don't know if anybody else like me, but baby, I got to clean the house up before I go out of town. Like, it's just something about cleaning up that house, and then you get back from in town, and the house is just so clean and refreshed. And, you know, after all that traveling, like, you want to come back home to peace and tranquility. Yeah. So, I did clean downstairs. Downstairs is clean. The kitchen, living room, that's clean. Of course, the office clean, cleanish. And the guest room is, you know, clean, whatever. So it's just our room that really needs to be, you know, cleaned up. So I'm working on like cleaning and doing like some packing, because I got some laundry. I got a lot of laundry I need to do. So yeah. So I'm gonna do that while I wait on. I have my niece here. She went to the game with us, so she wants to go see Freaky or Friday. So that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing. So I'm waiting on her to get ready. Let's see, it's 11 o'clock. The movie is at 12:15. So we'll be getting out of here like about an hour. So in the meantime, I am going to clean up and pack and whatnot. And once I kind of get to a place where I can show y'all, I will, you know, show y'all what I packed. I think I'll probably start on like a new vlog for that, just to kind of keep like the travel stuff together. Tonight I do have a media night to attend for this new restaurant that's opening in Atlanta. I think it's called like Chubby Cattle BBQ or something like that. But it's the same people that own Wagyu House, and I went there for my birthday. So if you want to see what Wagyu House is like, make sure you go and check out my birthday vlog from last year. I have like some clips and stuff like from like Wagyu House. So let me go ahead and get focused, and I'm going to tap in with y'all a little bit later.
She said take your time with some rush. I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a mother. She said take your time with some rush. I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a mother. I'm a dog, I'm a mother. I can smoke already so cold in my blood, yeah. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting, yeah. But I let my guard down to you. Said I put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time with some rush. I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a mother. She said take your time with some rush. I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a mother. I'm a dog, I'm a mother.
Teriyaki, which is the yakiniku, and in the middle is the seasoned salt, and then the side is the ponzu. The ponzu's on this side. Yep.
No condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling. But is the first time we did it. First time we did it, yeah. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? Take your time. I said baby I'm a dog now. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog now. I'm a dog now, my body.
Chubby sriracha that's really good. There's the other
Okay.
I saw that over there.
It's so good. I really tried it one time. I was just like, I want to take it home. You go grab it.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you. Yeah,
Thank
that's
you.
really good, that sauce. It's looking too early.
Sure did.
Looking too early.
Let that cook a little bit more.
I guess how we doing? My name's Ricky. I'll be helping you guys out as well.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
So far.
Thank you. Pretty good. Pretty good. It's pretty good. My favorite better than yours.
And what you got, a colada? I might have to get me a fork.
I got you.
I have not got eaten fried rice with a chopstick
No
yet.
worries, no worries. I can get you a spoon. Oh, there's a spoon inside there. I can get you a fork.
Oh, I'll use this.
And there's a spoon inside there.
Thank you. Very welcome.
God, you can do it.
Okay. I know I'm cheating. I haven't mastered fried rice with chopsticks yet. Oh yeah, this drink looks good.
Have you been in our other Chubby location?
So I've been to Waggle House.
Okay, that's still one of our groups, yes.
I saw that when I looked it up. I went there actually when it first opened for my birthday last year. Really good. Really good. The
view is
rooftop
nice,
is, yes.
Love it.
Pretty.